Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to edit video here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To edit a video in Canva, you just have to follow these simple steps. Number one is once you are logged into your account, open the Canva and start a new design, or open the project that you are currently working in. In my case, I'm going to be choosing the social media, and I'm going to choose something like maybe Instagram stories. Now from here, what will happen is we'll be forwarded here to choose a template. All right. You can choose this, you can choose that. So you have a lot. So I'm going to choose the first one right here. What will happen is you would be forwarded if you wanted to customize this template. Wait for it to load. Now here is one of the wonders on how to edit the video. What I'm going to do is basically work on some of the elements like the text here in Canva. So you have all these. Go for the effects. I'm going to change the color into something like this. All right. Now, I'm going to remove some of the cluttered elements here. I don't want it. Now, one of the essential part of editing a video is if you want to replace this specific video right here, you can do so. All you have to do is click on delete. You see this option right here, delete, or press delete in your keyboard or your computer. Now hover to the left side panel of your dashboard, and if you wanted to add a specific video in mind, click on videos. You can record yourself. You can upload a video of your own, and you can use the video here available in Canva. Now, if you notice that there's going to be like a pro, that means you are required to pay the Canva Pro subscription before you can use all these videos. Because if you do, there's going to be a watermark. See that? And if you want to remove the watermarks, upgrade to the subscription plan, which is you can try Pro for 30 days. Let's delete that for now. What I'm going to do instead is create a small video here, right? I'm going to click on this video, going to click on the uploads. Now I'm going to add a dynamic of a small photo right here. Okay, so you also have the option to add something like this one right here. Okay, so that's that. Going to decrease the opacity maybe, and add another video at the bottom. Click on the video here. Probably I'm gonna use just this one for now. Gonna add, you can be creative. You're not limited to this. Right? Click that. Now, try to play the video first. If you see that's gonna be the video for you. If you feel like it lacks some of the elements, you can still work on it. All right. Now, you see the duration right here. If you click that, that means it's only 15 seconds. All right, you can increase that. If you want to trim this, all you're going to do is drag this into that, drag this until 5 seconds, or extend it to 15 seconds. Now, on the next page, you can add another page wherein you can add more videos that you wanted. For example, this time I'm going to add and then I'm going to copy this text right here. Copy this into that. Paste it the element. I'm gonna make sure it's a bit different. This time I'm gonna be choosing something like this. All right. You can decrease the duration if you wanted, and add another page if you want. This time I'm going to be choosing this Halloween. Want to make sure that is right. Now, after putting all together, click on the play to see how it would look like. All right, so I think that it's kind of fun. You can edit videos to include your brand's colors, like our logo, fonts, logos, and other visual elements, ensuring consistency across all content. Because Canva provides an easy-to-use platform for editing videos, especially for those who are not experienced with professional video editing software, streamlining the process of adding elements and creating polished contents. Videos can often need to be edited for different platforms. If you want to resize for Instagram, trimming for Twitter, Canva makes it easy to optimize videos for social media requirements. If you want this to resize a different, let's say resize your design into whatever format you need, say for example, Instagram story, Facebook post, you can also use the social media, Instagram ad, LinkedIn, TikTok, and a lot more. Right? You can also put in a custom size if you wanted for a different that. You can also do that. Once you're finished with the file, all you're gonna do is click on share, click on download, and of course you have all these options. If you want to download this as an MP4, you're welcome to do that, or a GIF, short clip, no sound, an SVG, best for web designs and animations, or PDF, even images like PNG and JPEG. But if you want to share this to one of your team members, click on share, click on see all. You might want to save this to Google Drive, download selection, Dropbox, Microsoft, or click the public link view. After that, click on the create public view and send it to your email, to your collaborator, to members, your client, or even if you're working with multiple freelancers. So you have all these options. Now, there's going to be an option here that says collaboration link. You can select that to anyone with the link. Anyone can edit this video for as long as you give them an access and permission, all right? Here on the left side, if you wanted to add an audio, click on the audio here and select all these and drag it to the video to make it more creative. You add music, drop and drag your music into the timeline. Of course, you can put as many as music as you can here. Editing videos in Canva allows for creativity, simplicity, and customization, making it a tool for various personal business and marketing purposes. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.